Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we got this Honda E in stock for you, which is covered in meteoroid grey metallic. It's a really nice car, came off a nice customer. We sold it from brand new. In this video I'll be walking around the car, showing you any wear and tear and the features on the car. Alright, to start off with, we got these automatic headlights, we got this daytime running light which are on a ring, and also the indicators on the ring. Front and rear parking sensors and a fog light just in front. Show you the charging port as well. It's nice and easy. You got your DC, AC charging ports here. Fast charging as well. It's nice. Tucked in nice away. As you can see, car is really in mint condition. Looks like brand new. Got 16-inch alloy wheels, which is really nice. You got cameras on the wing mirror instead of actual wing. Rear privacy glass, second alloy there. As you can see, the right hand side, the body works really nice. It's been really looked after this car. Coming to the rear, we got rear parking sensors, and you also have a reverse camera, along with your fog light just down there and your LED tail lamp. We've got them circles again. I'll show you the boot space on this car. As you can see, quite practical boot space. You do have your tire packet under. It's really nice. The seats do fall down all the way, so you get longer boot space. Coming to the left hand side of the car, the wheels are really nice and lovely. It's not been scurbed or anything. Rear we got fabric interior, which is nice, which is waterproof fabric as well. All 4 automatic windows. You do have ISOFIX settings on both the sides. A couple of USBs just down there, and every passenger can have their own lighting inside. Nice. Coming to the passenger side, as you can see, it's really nice. Leg room up there, locking system. Got your camera, which is on your door as well. Big lovely screen up there. I'll come back to that shortly. And that's your last alloy. So let's jump in and I'll show you inside. As you can see, the door handles itself, nice keyless as well. It detects your key a mile away. As you can see, all 4 automatic windows. You have your locking system there and your wing mirror function, which is nice. Apologies for the noise outside. So the car's done 1,840 miles, which is nothing on a Honda. As you can see, we got pedal shifters on either side for your regen, auto headlights, auto wipers, and those are your screens on both the sides, which is nice. And a big lovely screen up here as well. You do have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do have navigation as standard on this car, and also Bluetooth music as well. DAB, FM, AM, you name it, is added. I'll show you the reverse camera. So as you can see, you got a nice view on the reverse camera. Your gear sticks just down there. Automatic drive, which is drive, neutral, reverse and park. You do have drive modes on this car. As you can see, at the moment it's on sports. It's called normal as well. Heated seats for driver and passenger with 3 settings on them, which is nice, and dual zone climate control as well. So the car is here with us. Will live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to come back and get an inquiry or get inquired about this car. Also, don't forget to ask for a personalized video from our sales team. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.